Since Bentley has not formally revealed their 2025 branded motorhome model, we must make educated guesses based on the company's reputation and potential outside changes. If the 2025 Bentley Motorhome is a custom-built or luxury concept, here is a glimpse at its outside. The exterior will have streamlined lines, imposing proportions, and traditional Bentley design elements. It is more likely to appear graceful than aggressive. The Flying B insignia is prominently displayed on the front of Bentley's huge, vertical matrix grille. Modern Bentley vehicles are known for their opulent headlight designs with crystal accents, most likely to make use of cutting-edge LED technology. A selection of Bentley's signature rich, opulent colors and a very fine paint job. Custom color choices from the Bentley palette are possible. Big alloy wheels with a unique, sophisticated, and detailed design. The grille, window frames, door handles, and other components are elegantly adorned with chrome accents. Large windows, sometimes with privacy glass, for enough indoor lighting. The window's design will blend in perfectly with the body. A door design that preserves the body line's smoothness while being unobtrusive when closed. For convenience, sliding side doors that are electrically controlled may be available. There might be a non-intrusive solar panel or even a smooth roof with built-in ventilation. The design will remain exquisite when closed if there is a pop-up roof for more sleeping area. Taillights featuring sophisticated chrome accents and a distinctive Bentley design. Large back doors make it simple to reach storage areas. The best materials. Every surface, including the chairs, walls, and ceiling, is covered with Alcantara and hand-quilted leather with elaborate stitching. A selection of unique colors from the Bentley color scheme. The application of natural wood veneers in matte or high-gloss finishes, perhaps adorned with elaborate inlays or designs exclusive to Bentley. Trims, door knobs, and control components can have details in gold, brushed aluminum, or polished chrome. High-end wool carpeting. Natural wool carpeting that is thick and plush, sometimes paired with a lamb's wool overmat. With heating and cooling features, massage, and leather couches and chairs that can be electronically reclined. Elegant ambient lighting, personalized crystal glasses, and a beverage refrigerator are all features of this opulent bar. High-end equipment, luxurious composite or natural stone worktops, and clever storage are all features of this little gourmet kitchen. A king-size bed with a premium mattress, luxurious linens, and a personal entertainment system are all features of the magnificent master bedroom. Spa-style bathrooms using premium materials such as marble or ceramic, with separate showers, high-end toilets, and luxurious bath amenities. High-end infotainment systems. High-resolution touchscreens with smart system integration, voice control, and seamless connectivity. Custom audio systems possibly from luxury audio brands such as Naeem, with exceptional sound quality. Full control over the color and intensity of lighting to create different ambiances. Multi-zone climate control, advanced HVAC systems for optimal comfort throughout the space. Additional entertainment features hidden TV screens, projection systems, or even integrated game consoles. If we were to speculate about the engines that Bentley might use if it were to enter the luxury motorhome market, something that doesn't appear likely to happen right now, they would probably use one of the company's existing engines, like the more potent 6.0-liter twin-turbo W12 or the 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 found in the Bentley Bentayga. Though these engines are made for premium performance, it's important to keep in mind that they might need to be modified for usage in bigger, heavier vehicles like RVs. If Bentley decides to produce a motorhome in the future, it is probable that they would take into account a hybrid or perhaps an electric drivetrain given the current developments in the automotive industry.